ambiguity 모호함, 애매함, ambiguous 모호한, 애매한, ambiguously 모호하게, 애매하게, ambit 영역, 범위, ambivalence 양가 감정, 상반되는 감정, ambivalent 양가적인, 반대 감정이 병존하는, ambulatory 이동하는, 보행해, ambush 매복 공격, amenable 잘 받아들이는, 수능적인, amenities 편의시설, amenity 편의, 쾌적함, amiable 상냥한, 온화한, amicable 우호적인, 원만한, am이의 한가운데, 속에서, amity 우호, 친선, amnesty 사면, 특사, amorous 사랑의, 애정 어린, amphibian 양서류, amphibious 양서류의 수룡 양용의 anabolic steroid 단백동화 스테로이드 근육 강화제 anachronism 시대착오 시대에 뒤떨어진 것 analogous 유사한 비슷한 analogy 비유 유추 anathema 교회 파문 절대 반대하는 것 혐오 anecdote 일화 비화 anemic 빈혈의 무기력한 anguish 고뇌 괴로움 animistic 애니미즘의 정령신앙의 animosity 적대감 반감 annals 연대기 역사 기록 annex 부가하다 합병하다 annihilation 전멸 소멸 in the heart of the kingdom as traditions and transformations continued to mold the burgeoning era of unity an aura of ambiguity hung in the air about what lay ahead. This ambiguity was not something that darkened spirits, but an enigmatic force urging the people to explore beyond the kingdom's ambit. In this climate, a peculiar ambivalence spread among the townsfolk. A mix of excitement and doubt filled the air. The thrill of anticipation was tempered by fear of the unknown. Even in such ambivalent times, citizens remained amenable to the progressive changes reshaping their society. Among the many stories was an ambiguous tale of an amphibious creature, thought to guard a fabled treasure. This amphibian legend, as ancient as a kingdom, embodied anxieties from an animistic past, when nature's spirits were believed to possess great power. For some, the tale was an anachronism, a quaint reminder of outdated beliefs, while for others, it offered an allegory of endurance against all odds. In the palace, amenities once reserved for the elite became common amenities for all, fostering an atmosphere of amiable and amicable coexistence. Yet, whispers suggested dissatisfaction among nobles, who viewed these changes as anathema to their privileges, and perceived the equitable distribution of resources as analogous to an ambush on their status and wealth. One evening, a storyteller arrived with an anecdote of a distant land, where warriors use elixirs like anabolic steroids, granting them immense strength but leaving their spirits anemic. This tale served as a warning against seeking power without wisdom, a lesson well understood as a kingdom balanced material gain with moral integrity. Despite tensions, amity thrived. An ambulatory of citizens could be seen pushing toward communal goals, each step symbolic of the collective journey. Within the council, debates on governance and expansion were next to discourses on culture and identity, blending new with old. The king, aware of both ambivalence and determination, declared amnesty for past grievances, hoping to cleanse lingering animosity and further unite the kingdom. His vision was to prevent the annihilation of unity by the erosion of trust, understanding that true strength lay in facing challenges together. Amid these ambiguous times, past and present ideals amalgamated into the kingdom's legacy, recorded in annals for generations, enriched with amorous tales of courage. The narrative transcended mere survival to embody purposive, potent analogy for life's journey. Amidst this evolving tapestry, the potential for harmony and prosperity hung tantalizingly close, awaiting the collective will to reach out and grasp it.